Welcome to level 2. We're gonna start with the warm-up here. We're gonna do 30 seconds of quarter squats. So feet a little wider than hip width apart, weights back in your heels. All right, you can place your hands on your thighs if that helps with balance, and you can slowly bring them down and then back up. Squeeze your glutes as you come up. Hip goes back towards, yep. And then shoulders are gonna be back and down. Make sure you're not rounding them forward. Keep your head looking straight in front of you. Good, take your time, and last one. Good. All right, now slowly and safely move to the floor. We're going to go into cat-cow, which you remember from level 1. So remember, tabletop position, 30 seconds again. Remember, everything stacked. You're gonna round the spine and look down, and then you will look up and extend. Remember, this is for hip mobility. This is not a stretch. Keeping that core engaged, breathing in and breathing out. Good. Once again, this should feel good. There shouldn't be any pain with this movement. And rest. Nice job. So next we have the bird dog with an added challenge of drawing squares. So we're gonna do 2 each side just to practice, starting with the right arm, left leg. So you're gonna do your hand and foot out away from the midline, down at the same time, back in, and then back up. So practice 2 of those. Good, let's try the left arm, right leg, away from the midline, both going down, back in towards the midline, back up. Good, one more. Good, and bring it down. So this time we're gonna do 5 each side. Try not to break. If you need to reset, that's okay. Let's start with number 1. Good, keeping that core tight. Make sure your hips don't rotate. All the motion is in your shoulder and your hip. No spine movement at all. Squeezing that glute as well. Once you've completed 5 squares, you can come down, and then we will start with left arm, right leg. Go at your own pace with these. Good, so that's 1, 2. Good, keep those hips square. Head in neutral position. All right, once we're done with 5 on this side, we're gonna just do 4 each side next. So you'll go back to the other side. Once you're ready, bring it up. Good. This movement really challenges your core since some of your body is moving. You want to keep that torso stable. Once you've completed 4 squares, left arm, right leg is up. After 4 reps, we'll go back to the right arm, left leg, and we'll be doing 3 squares each side. Good. So 3 this time. So we're doing descending sets here. Good, that's 2. And 3. Good, left arm, right leg. Yeah, that's 1. Just 2 more. 2. And 3. Nice job. All right, next we have curl ups. So slowly and safely move to your back without rotating that spine. Good, so you'll remember the curl up, 1 knee is bent, 1 is straight, hands under the lumbar spine. So this is gonna be very similar to level 1, except we're gonna add an elbow lift off the floor when you curl up. All right, so remember to engage the core before lifting your head and shoulders off the ground. So we're gonna start with 5 reps of 10-second holds with that 2-second reset in between each rep. All right, so we'll start with the first one whenever you're ready, and up. Good, remember to breathe. core tight. There are 10 seconds here. 2 and 1, back down, reset. Back up for number 2. Good. Nice job. 2 and 1. Number 3. Good. Keep that neck neutral with the spine. 2 and 1, back down. All right, when you're ready, back up. Nice job. After this set, we will get 10 seconds of rest here. And 1. Good. Last rep here. Good. You're almost there. 3, 2, and 1. All right, we can rest for 10 seconds. Next set will be 4 reps of a 10-second hold. All right, and begin. Good. Remember, if you're experiencing any pain on one side of the leg, to try to bend that knee, that should help. And rest. Back up for number 2. Good. Nice job. Remember to keep those elbows off the floor and rest. All right, number 3. Good. Nice job, and rest. Last one here, and you'll get another 10-second rest. So the last set's just going to be 3 reps of 10-second holds. 3, 2, and rest. You have 10 seconds here to reset and relax. Then we'll go into 3 sets of 10-second holds. 2 and 1. This is the last set of these, and then we'll move on to the side planks. Good. 2 and 1. Next one. Good, nice job. 2 and 1. Last one here. You got it. Good. Nice job. And rest. Good. Next up are the side planks. So you're gonna rotate over to your side. Let's start with the left side. All right, these are gonna be side planks on your feet. So your feet can either be stacked on top of one another, or the top foot, the top leg can be in front of the bottom foot of the back leg. All right, so same positioning. Remember to bring your hips, push them forward and up at a diagonal, and then come back down the same way. So we're gonna start with 10-second holds, 1 each side, and then 20, and then 30. So let's start that 10-second hold and up. Good. Remember that shoulder stacked above the elbow. And if you're, once again, if you're feeling any pain, you can hold on to that shoulder joint there, and that should relieve that tension. And rest. All right, now transition to the right side. Remember to keep that top foot in front. That'll prevent any twisting of the hips. All right, once you're set, come up. Good. We're gonna squeeze those glutes, keep that core engaged. You don't want those hips to fall. Good. 2 and 1. Good. Back over to the left side. This time we're gonna do 20 seconds each side. So we're ascending time each set. Good. Once you get set up, bring those hips up. Nice job. Don't forget to breathe here. Two and 1. Good. Nice job. Switch sides. 20 seconds on the other side. Good. Yep. Top foot in front. Once you're ready, come up. If you can't hold for 20 seconds yet, that's okay. You can bring your hips down and reset and come right back up. Good. 2 and 1. Nice job. Last set here, 30 seconds each side. So switch to the left side. All right, this will be our most challenging set for this one. but you got it. All right, get set up and up. So doing the side plank is going to work out your obliques and strengthen those. A lot of exercises that target the obliques are going to be twisting motions, which you do not want to do. You want to avoid those because that'll twist your spine. You always want to keep your spine neutral. Three, 2, and 1. Good. Last 30-second rep here. After side planks, we're going to move on to clamshells. Good. Let's get set up. Bring those hips up. You might notice one side's a little easier than the other. That's okay. Good. Don't let those hips fall. Them up. Almost there. 3, 2, and rest. Awesome. So next are going to be the clamshells. This is pretty similar to the side bridge, except you're going to add a clamshell motion at the legs. So you're going to place your thumb on the bony prominence across from your navel that's on your hips, and your fingers will touch the gluteus medius, and that's what you're trying to target here. That's what you will feel as you bring that leg up. Elbow stacked under the shoulder. So as you lift up and squeeze your glutes, you're gonna open those hips up. Yep, good. So just do 5 reps here. Squeeze. Good. That's 3, 4, last one. And then we're gonna go into a 5-second hold. Whenever you're ready. 3, 2, and 1. Good, relax. Switch sides, we're gonna go to the left side. All right, same thing, get set up. Thumb on that bony prominence and touching the glute medius with the fingers. Squeeze up, do 5 reps here. Yep, slow and controlled, take your time. Really feel those glutes working. Good. Good. And hold. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Switch back to the other side. We're just going to do one more set here. Same thing. 5 reps, 5 seconds. 1. Good. Squeeze. Kind of hold it for 2. Good. And make sure you're activating those glutes. Keep that core tight. Nice. 2 and 1. All right, one more rep on the left side. 5-second hold after the 5 reps. Good. Okay, open those hips as much as you can comfortably. Don't force anything. If you're not as mobile there. Good, 5-second hold. 2, 1, and rest. Nice job. Next up will be glute bridges. Safely rotate to your back. Feet are flat on the floor. Yep, feet are hip length apart. All right, knees are bent. So you're gonna push through your heels and lift your hips up, squeezing your glutes. So we're gonna start with 5 slow and controlled reps. And then after these 5 reps, we're gonna go into a 5-second hold. Good, breathing here. Arms are just relaxed at your sides. Make sure your shoulders don't ride up. Good. Nice hold here. 2 and 1. All right, 2-second reset, back into 5 reps, and then a 10-second hold. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, last one, 5, and then 10 seconds here. Squeezing, keep those glutes contracted, core engaged. Good. 2 and 1. All right, last set, 5 reps, 5-second hold. Good. Make sure you're controlling it on the way down. Don't just plop down to the floor. You want to fight gravity here. Nice job. Good. Push through those heels. Good, and hold. 5 seconds. Good, almost there. 2 and 1, nice job. Last exercise are the push-ups. So safely roll over to that tabletop position again without rotating the spine. Good, so there's multiple ways to do push-ups. Obviously some are harder than others. So you can start at incline if you need to, hands on a chair, the couch, the stairs. You can also start on your knees if you're comfortable on the floor here. Mark is just gonna do regular push-ups. So we're gonna start with 10. Make sure they're slow and controlled here. You wanna control it, don't let gravity win here. Elbows are at 45 degrees away from your body. Straight line here. Don't let your hips arch up or hyperextend down. Good, so 10 here. Nice job. Keep that head neutral as well. Core engaged. It's basically just a moving plank, so this is really challenging your core in addition to your chest and triceps and all that. All right, so 10-second break. Then we're gonna go to 7 reps. So this is also a descending sets. 2 and 1. Once you're ready, come back up to your feet. Good, make sure you're squeezing those glutes as well. Nice job. 4. Almost there. And 7. Good, 10-second break. And then just 5 reps to go and you're done with this workout. 2, 1, back up. Keep that form perfect here. If you need to go down to your knees for the last set, that's okay too. We don't want to compromise form here. Nice job. That was the end of the level 2 workout. That was challenging, great job.